Hello friends, welcome back to the channel and a great big thank you for all of your love and support for this, my very own little creative corner of the internet. This week, as promised my friends in last week's Me Made holiday vlog, I am bringing you a super quick tutorial on how I created my gorgeously comfy Snuggly spring sweater. So let's get creating. Based on my recent cardigan creation right here on the channel, the first step is to head on over to that tutorial, my friends, and create your very own pattern. There's a card above and a link in the description box. The pattern for our sweater is almost exactly the same as the cardigan, but instead of using the front, we're going to cut two back pieces, one each for the front and back of your sweater, simply cutting a slightly lower neckline for the front. And I used this gorgeous white chunky sweater knit fabric to make it. I made this sweater slightly looser than the cardigan by simply adding an extra 1.5 inches at the fold on the bodice pieces. Also adding 3 inches to the hemline to make it super slouchy. A really quick sew, this sweater comes together in the same way as the cardigan, beginning by sewing the sleeve seams and the shoulder and side seams on the bodice, before inserting those sleeves. And with no facing or buttonhole front, all that's left is the cuffs and to finish the hem and necklines. Using a zigzag stitch, this sweater knit was super easy to work with, and this project was so quick I might even have forgotten to take photos. And here is my finished sweater. A fast, easy and satisfying sew, this Snuggly sweater has to be one of my favourite creations so far this year, and I can definitely see myself making many more of these to wear all year round. But until next week, my friends, you take care. Bye.